Hi guys, this is a Fungible Millennial, and today I'm going to show you how to use Binance to buy cryptocurrencies in a little bit over 10 minutes. If you're new to my channel, I do videos on all things finance, from property to cryptocurrency investing. Before I start, I kindly ask you to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to my channel. So Binance is available to a lot of countries overseas, but it is in Australia. However, recently there was a regulation to cease crypto derivative trading for existing Australian users, and that will be imposed on the 23rd of December this year. This just means that existing Australian users cannot trade futures, options, and leveraged tokens, which is something I don't do anyway. So this is the Binance website. When you come to the homepage, it will tell you to register. Alternatively, you can use my referral link below. To sign up, input an email address and password. If you haven't done so, please use my referral code to get a discount on trading. Next, you'll be asked to verify your account. This is done by uploading a picture of your driver's license or validated passport. You'll also be asked to do a scan of your facial profile to validate your account. Validation usually takes a few days. I'm just going to go briefly over all the functionalities that I use that I think it's important. Here's just an overview of the website. At the top, you have market on the left. This is just an overview of all the existing cryptocurrencies available on Binance, what the current price is and how much it's changed over the last 24 hours. In the middle, you have favorites, spot markets, new listings in all cryptos. Favorites, new listings in all cryptos is quite self-explanatory. Spot markets is anything that you trade between pairs. For example, Bitcoin to USDT. It will just list the price, changed in 24 hours, and volume traded in that 24 hours. Next, I'm going to explore the Binance Wallet. This can be accessed via the Wallet drop-down and clicking onto Overview. It brings us to this overview page, which shows an estimated balance in your account, either in your fiat and spot position, margin, futures, funding, earn, pool, and vanilla options. I only use fiat and spot and earn. Further down you have the other dexes, which I don't touch. And then further down you have transaction history and account statement. I can access the fiat and spot either by clicking onto this panel here or up here. And today I'm going to make a deposit. And you can do that by clicking onto the deposit button. You can deposit either via crypto deposit or fiat deposit. Now I'm going to show you how to make a fiat deposit. And the currency I've chosen here is Australian dollar, and the method of payment is via Pay ID or OSCO. Press on to continue, and I'm going to input the amount of money I'm going to transfer, confirm, and then press OK. It will show me this Pay ID, which I can copy directly and paste into my bank when I do the Pay ID, and the money will come in after half an hour. Once the money has come through, you can check that it's there in fiat and spot. And now we're going to go ahead and try and purchase some Bitcoin with that $1,000. You can do this by searching in the search bar for BTC, or go directly down on the list to BTC, and on the right hand side you see trade. Click directly into trade and you can see the different pairings it has. So BTC, we want to get Australian dollar into BTC, so click into BTC AUD. It will bring you to this trading page. This is the view of the current BTC price that's being traded at. So you can input how much you want to purchase at what price directly from this trading view. If you input a price that's lower than what it's currently trading at, it will put into open orders until it's fulfilled, which then will be moved into order history. These transactions are important for tax purposes. Another function I have to highlight is on top of the right hand corner there's a search bar where you can search different cryptocurrencies directly, and it will bring up all the existing pairings it has with the crypto that you have selected. Now let's go to the convert function, which can be either accessed via the trade menu, or if you go to your spot and Fiat page, you can go on to the right hand side of your cryptocurrency and click into that, and it will bring you to the convert and OTC portal where you can convert from one coin to another directly. That might not be available on the trading page. For example, if you traded Doge to Shiba, you can't actually do that directly on the trading view, but with convert view you can see that it's available on the drop down. Once these orders have been fulfilled, a message will pop up on the top right hand corner that says market buy order filled. If you scroll down to the open order section, you can see that in order history the orders have been fulfilled. Now I'm going to show you how to stake or put your money into flexible or fixed savings to earn more crypto. If you go to the Fiat and spot section, you can see now that BTC and Matic have a monetary number next to it. Now if you go to the earn section on the right hand side, it will show you the types of earnings that you can use for these cryptocurrencies, and these include launch pool, liquid swap, flexible savings, fixed savings, and staking. For today's exercise, I will go over the savings and staking functions. I just clicked into the flexible saving function for BTC. You can see that for the flexible savings, its yield is at 0.5% per annum. Now, if you go down to the locked savings, you can see BTC can earn potentially 7% per annum. However, this has sold out. So I'm just going to go back to the flexible savings and put my BTC into the 0.5% per annum savings account. Now this definitely beats any banking savings account. I've also turned on the auto transfer function, which is the green bar. This allows whatever savings I accumulate each day to be put back into the pool to accumulate more savings. Now I'm going to stake Matic. The process is very similar to putting my Bitcoin into savings. Now click into locked staking under earnings. It brings you to this page where you can find whatever coin you would like to stake. You have the option of choosing between 30, 60 and 90 days. And it's just a matter of scrolling down and finding your coin, and there is Matic. If you stake your Matic coins for 30 days, you can earn 11.34%. For 60 days, that's 12.2%, and for 90 days, that's 14.2% per annum. However, it appears that the 90 days is sold out. So I'm going to choose the next best thing, which is 60 days. To keep track of your savings and staking, go to earnings. Underneath the savings tab, you can see all the cryptos that you have put into the savings account. And in the stakings tab, you can see all the cryptos that you have staked. There are two ways to sell your cryptocurrency. One is to use TradeView. Like before, you go to the spot section. Instead of buying the cryptocurrency, I'm going to sell it. And you put in the amount that you want to sell to the currency that you want to sell it to. And then press sell. And it will go into, again, the open orders section. Once that's fulfilled, it will go into your order history. The alternative way is going to Fiat and Spot and find your coin on the list. Then go to convert. And once you've reached the convert and OTC portal, you can sell your coin to the currency that you like. Now I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your Binance account. There are a number of ways to do this, but the quickest way is go to Fiat and Spot, go to the withdraw tab. It will bring you to this page where under the Fiat tab, it will ask you the currency that you want to transfer it to, and the only option here is bank transfer, which has 0 fees. Next, you add the bank details. You can add your bank details via this tab here. Next, fill in your bank details and then add bank account. Once you have inputted the details, the Verify Now button appears on the right hand side. Click into that and make a small test transfer, which will take up to 3 business days. Once that's been verified, you can make a transfer to the amount that you desire. That's it of this week's video on how to use Binance as a trading platform to trade cryptocurrencies. A big shout out to Sarah and Zach for requesting this video. Make sure to check out my Linktree link to sign up for freebies or even leave a dad joke if you want. Anyway, until next time, thanks for watching.